ready for a fight.
Yeah, okay. Okay, now we have to...
Yeah.
I like all the lessons that he gave us,
Yeah.
especially about the prayer thing,
Yeah.
and I'm waiting to learn more.
Okay, good.
Thank you, Nicholas.
Okay.
Let your bones sink. Bone, all the bones.
Laissez-vous...
Thanks.
And emotions?
No, just that.
Just power, just power.
Yes.
Just power, okay.
Different sentiments. I don't know. I'm sometimes I relax it.
Because you said triple... It's going back, you know?
Ready for a fight.
Yeah, okay. Okay, now we have to... As friends, okay? Push more. Good company. Now say, I will exercise every day. See this one? Three times. It's great. Competitive spirit, but as friends, okay, push more. Inhale. You're safe. It's easy, yes? Doing good. I need together. Great. Now relax. But first you do pull him. He don't give you, okay? Pull, and then when you pull, this leg goes here, okay? And then just, no, you just take. So one or back, as much as you want. And then here, just push and pull, okay? So push and pull, same time. But don't break him, okay? And then after this, we will add this, okay? Like this, many minutes, okay? Touch here, and then hop. It doesn't matter. You can just cut. Now you cut. Catch. Now you catch.
Vas-y, attrape.
Okay. It's very important exercise for the balance and for kicking times. And then you lift and then kick. And now he does the same. So you lift. 1, 2, 3. Now kick from this side, this and kick. Okay. And now I do. Hands, 2. Spine, 3. Yeah, begin to form, yeah? Now you're ready for your power. Yes. It's important, relax your chest and don't like it. No? Relax your chest. Yeah. Thank you. Now when and then the leg, you see? Yes. Yeah? But don't push him over. Just practice.